Hey Diane, how you doing? All right. So I was reading. Let me see. You're welcome. Of course. Don't even mention it anytime. If you feel, I mean, to me, it's all about learning, right? So if you feel that you have mastered some techniques that you can apply to an assignment you've already submitted, I'll be more than glad to regrade it. Absolutely. I mean, it's all in the name of learning, right? As long as you're learning, I'm grading. So yeah, definitely. I welcome resubmissions. And this is the reason why. This is better. It's better, Diane, but it's not there yet. And let me tell you why. The couple of things in this layout, I think is fantastic. Really, really nice looking ad. I'm still a little concerned about that background image, specifically the quality of that background image. But in terms of general layout, this is nice. You got a nice headline, nice subhead. Got your body copy beautifully left aligned, very nice. This is center aligned and this is left aligned. So we get some immediate visual stress here of kind of uncomfortable visual stress. It creates a little confusion and it's not comfortable. For that reason, I recommend pulling that in alignment with the first paragraph and left aligning that as well. As far as the bottom of the composition goes, right now it looks like the address is a little difficult to read. Now, don't feel free to jump over here and sample a color out of this image here, like one of these light pinks here, and set your type to that color. I'm fine with that. I think it might be a little more legible down there. Right now, the logo is pushed up here, and it seems like the reason it's pushed up there is because it doesn't fit with the address. So for that reason, I would recommend, I don't think we even really need to have the address on one line. I think you could put that St. Thomas Virgin Islands on a second line and have a 4-line address. Just make sure that part's all in alignment. And that way, the address area will be taller, but not as wide, and you can tuck this down, and it'll fit beautifully in here, right down there for the logo. Okay, now background image. Now here's the part where I'm going to zoom in, and I've just not sold on this background image yet. See what I mean? It's still pretty damaged. I'm still thinking this is a lot of blurriness, a lot of compression artifacts down there, especially when we take a look at areas where light pixels meet dark pixels, right there. See how that's not a clean line? It's kind of bumpy and it's got little bits of little fragments out there. And that's all artifacts from compression. And therefore, I don't think it's the best image to use for the background. Better than the first one, but not quite there yet. So really, really kind of try to find a really good, high quality image. For the background. I really think it'll make a vast improvement. Plus, it'll print beautifully and it'll be much, much better for your final student portfolio. All right, great job. Thank you so much for the resubmission. And again, right, if you want to pick a new image and resubmit again, have at it. I'll be more than glad to provide further comment. All right, great job. Thank you very much.